Welcome to Motocompano. This is a short introduction on how to get started after installing the app on your device. You are welcomed by a short introduction movie. Let's skip that for now and sign up an account for free. Enter your email address and choose a username with which you want to appear in the Motocompano community. Please note that you cannot change this name once it has been set. Then choose a safe password, read and accept terms of use and the privacy policies. It's recommended you subscribe to the newsletter so you get news about Motocompano firsthand. Hit sign up once you are ready. A pop-up informs you about an email with an activation link that needs to be confirmed. So let's just do that. The button in the mail directs you to the Motocompano web account and informs you about the successful activation. Let's head back to the app and continue there. After your first login, you need to allow certain services, like this one, to receive notifications. Have a look at the provided introduction to get a quick overview of the app. We are just rushing through here and get started with some important first steps. You'll always find this introduction in the Help section located under Settings to revert to it later. Of course, you need to allow location services in order to use route guidance and calculation, and to record tracks of your tours. As soon as you have agreed, your current position will be shown in the Map section. You will be asked to allow access to your camera and media library when for the first time you use a function needing this, for example, setting a photo POI. When on tour, it can happen that you don't have an internet connection in some places. That's why Motocompano provides every user with a free offline map. So let's get hands on this gift. To do so, open the Maps menu and select Manage Maps. As I'm in Germany, I choose that one. Please be aware that you need enough free space on your device to download an offline map. The file size of each map is shown in the details. As soon as you chose your free offline map, you see a price tag next to each of the others. If you upgrade to one of the Pro packages, the whole world as offline maps are included, and you can load as many as you like with no additional costs. In My Maps, the entry now changed to 1, and we are prepared to head to remote areas. In the Maps menu, you can adjust more about your maps. For example, use a different style of online map. But let's move on and adjust some important settings. It's quite helpful to enter your home address in User Settings in order to use the Bring Me Back Home function for a quick and easy routing. No one will be able to see your address. It's only used to make your model life more convenient. Besides typing your address, you could also select a POI if you set one already where you live. Next, we're going to look at My Profile, accessible via this icon. Or up here. The first option is to add a profile image, but let's head to My Account first, where you can do that as well, plus entering some more personal information. Another important setting is a little hidden here too. It's this one, called Home Location. You only need to enter a city here, and it's used to suggest users from your region in the Friends section. It's up to you to make this information public, visible for friends only, or to keep it private. But now let's finally add some profile pictures. That's pretty straightforward, just choose or take an image and upload it. Add additional information in My Account if you like. It helps to get connected to the community. Great tours are driven on great vehicles, hence My Garage is the place to manage and present them. So let's add one here. Give it a name and add as many information as you like. In your web account, you can connect recorded tracks and video tracks to the vehicle you used for the ride. When you discover the adventures of other motocompaneros, they are presented with username and pic, and often the vehicle profile as well. The main screen welcomes you now with the newly added profile pics for yourself and your vehicle. See some of the other videos to become familiar with all the possibilities of Motocompano. And have fun when you plan, drive, record, relive and share your tours, and while you get inspired by the adventures of the community. Take care when on the road and have fun while you intensify your motor life with Motocompano.